My name's Rich Hesse. I work as a technical sales manager.
My name is Tim Claffey. I am the Vice President of Sales here at New Way Air Bearings.
What's so cool about manufacturing? Springton Lakes Middle School's video club sat down with employees from New Way Air Bearings to find out more about what an air bearing actually is.
You're at the fidget spinner, right? A fidget spinner uses these little bearings in them. So they have a cover on them that you can't see right now. So if I was to zoom in on them, take the cover off, they would look something like that, right? Instead of rolling on ball bearings, we float on air.
So what are air bearings used in?
If you own a Samsung or an LG TV, our air bearings have floated that glass that's on your TV.
The largest segment of business we have is a product that is used to manufacture that glass. Test simulations of like the automatic steering in the cars that do the self-parking. So a lot of those tests need to be done without, again, kind of a bearing influencing or forcing the test to do something that it really wouldn't, and understand what the car is doing without any contact.
It's hard to kind of visualize our product because we're one small little tiny component. We're inside a larger machine.
While air bearings may be difficult to see, they are in products all around us, like CAT scan machines, satellites, and telescopes. So this is what's so cool about manufacturing.